equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Fuensantas Sala Matina's Dell Vostro. Today, we'll take you through a step-by-step process to ensure your device runs smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather your toolkit. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components safely and effectively. Begin by powering down your device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Dell Vostro. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious here. You don't want to damage any clips. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now that you have access to the internal components, it's time to clean. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and vents. This is essential for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any liquid propellant from escaping. After cleaning, inspect the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. Look closely at the RAM and hard drive connections. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time for a replacement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, let's reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your device and check for any issues. If you encounter problems, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you get your device back in top shape without any hassle. In summary, maintaining your Fuensantas Sala Matina's Dell Vostro is straightforward with the right tools and techniques. Regular cleaning and inspection can prolong the life of your device significantly. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are just a message away for any assistance you may need. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.